How about a little history for you? Behind me here is a structure that was actually constructed by Captain Cook when he and his men came ashore about 10 miles from here. They were out of fresh water on their ship, so they came ashore looking for water, and they liked the place so much that they decided to build this building out of masonry that they found stored on the island. So, there's your first dose of history. Stay tuned. I've got other historical nuggets for you on this trip. I want to introduce you to my brother Jake.
Hello.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea. The winds blew up her head up down oh, below my belly boys know.
Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Hello, Future Alex here, president of the Silly Hat Club. I wanted to talk to you about this video. You've already seen a piece of it. You'll find that unlike my normal videos, which tell a story, follow a theme, progress chronologically, and share some of the sights and interesting side points as we travel, this video will have none of that. So it's some aimless ramblings, a little camp up, too many tins, Jake going buck wild as he likes to do when we get out in the bush. I hope you enjoy it. After having Jaffles every day of the camping trip for 7 days, I decided I wanted another Jaffle when I got home, but I wanted to make this one special. I'm going to do some fire to fork tube steak Jaffles. Hot dog buns, Franks, chili and cheese. Here we go. Looks quite delicious. This is definitely a Jaffle to eat with a fork, but it looks pretty good. We have to be very quiet. There's a drop bear right in the trees over there behind you, behind the camera. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it as we get closer to it. Be very quiet. This little guy looks like he survived all the fires in the area back last year. Not a scratch on him. Good on you, mate. So behind me here in the fading light is an abandoned piece of equipment that is left here from when they ran the telegraph track across the country, what, back in the 1800s, right, Jake?
Yeah, that's right, mate.
What do you think? What would it have been like to drive this thing, to operate this thing back in those days, Jake?
It'd be bloody cool. Okay.
I mean, so far from civilization, out in the heat, you know, these guys were legends.
And it's very rugged.
Very rugged.
What do you reckon the engine on this thing is?
I don't know. About 10 patrols.
Wow.
10 patrols for sure. Good on you, old guys. Whew. I'm glad we finally made it to camp. I don't know if I can handle much more of your playlist. This is a great section of bush. An insane asylum used to be about 5 miles that way on this property, but after all of the patients escaped, they closed the place down a few decades ago.
I did hear that.
Yep. It's beautiful now. Beautiful place. Nice camp. Jake, get us a beer, would you?
You done with that one?
This is only my third. Where's Jake gotten off to? What was that? Jake! Jake! Who is it? Hello, different future Alex here. Jake and I have been talking, and we spend a lot of our time camping just sitting around the fire, drinking tins, and not doing anything productive. To make those campfire scenes a more enriching experience, Jake and I have the idea to hold talent competitions on our camping trips going forward. In fact, Jake is out in the woods right now working on his act for the upcoming talent competition. He got the idea from Luke Smith, who we follow on Instagram, Fenrir-Strength. Check him out. I'll put a few clips of what Jake is attempting to accomplish, and hopefully we'll have some footage of it before this video is concluded. Hey, Jake. No, mate. I don't think that's a good idea. Everything's too dry. You can't gargle petrol. It'll grow more potatoes. It grows more roots because it's a root.
I don't know about that, mate.
Let's call Harry. So we're here, and we set up camp, and Jake and I have been having a few tins, and we've had a bit of a disagreement. Jake believes that a potato is a tuber, and I believe that a potato is a root. So to settle the argument, we're going to call Harry. He knows everything about food. Let's get him on the line.
Alex is ringing me. Hey man, what's going on?
Harry, mate.
No, wrong number, dude. I'm not Harry.
So Jake and I have a disagreement, and we thought you'd be able to help us with it.
I'm not Harry. Mate, you got the wrong number. No, that's not Brick. I didn't just buy my 80 series bat. That's Clifford. That's not Brick. Mate.
Oh, hey, Fred. Fred, what are you doing, boy? Fred. Hey, you're big as a cow.
No, Fred, I don't have a dog called Fred, mate.
So, Harry, what do you say?
Alex, for the last time, I'm not Harry.
No, seriously. Jake believes it's a tuber, and I say it's a root. What do you say?
Alex, for the last time, mate, I'm not Harry. Stop reading all the YouTube comments on Ronnie's channel.
Ah, forget it. We'll call Ronnie instead.
All right, Alex, I'm going, mate. I'll see you later.
What's all that about?
Mate, I think Alex is on the tins again, eh?
Yeah.
He keeps thinking I'm you.
I don't know why. We look nothing alike.
Mate, we don't even drink anything close to the same beer.
No.
And I've got
idiot.
sunnies on.
Yeah. And yeah, like, come here, Frank. Yeah, like, you've never hung around with a black and white dog.
No, not a
cow.
big boisterous one, anyway.
No. Drop. What a moron.
Oh, wow.
All right, Alex. See you in the next one.
Catch you, mate.
And as always, I need to thank the people who helped me out. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you, Harry, for supplying that video clip which was used in this video. And also thanks to my daughter, Shelby, who was very willing and eager to play the role of Jake. She actually watched some of the videos to try to get a feel for the kind of stuff Jake does. Jake is a hard guy to copy. Very, very entertaining. And anyway, I had fun working with her on this. I hope you thought it was funny as well. Thanks a lot. For bragging rights, can you tell me what famous American movie this hat is from? Put it in the comments below to get a shout out in my next video. Future Alex one more time. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Nathan with Nathan King Overland, and this was a fun parody to do. I really had a lot of other things planned, but my injury got in the way, so I wanted to put out what I had now because anyway, I thought it was funny. I wanted to go ahead and put it up. Maybe I'll be able to do some more later on. You know what? I need your help. I am going to post a short clip of another parody I'm working on, but I haven't been able to get in contact with the person that I'm parodying, and I want to get his permission. I won't even say who it is. If you can tell who it is from the short that I'm going to post this week, then it means I'm doing it right, and I need your help in getting his permission. So check that out. Look for that this week. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to that magic 1,000, and it's all because of the viewers of these other guys that I have been parodying. So thank you for watching. I'm glad that so many of you have reached out to me and had conversations with me. Lots of well wishes on my injury. Appreciate that, and I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I hope you like it too. Thanks a lot.